Welcome to Lilian International, dedicated to natural healing, wellness, and beauty. In our specialized range of therapy complexes, we also focus on nail and cuticle care. One of the key products in this category is Nail Restore. Nail Restore was formulated to support healthy nails, particularly when fungal infections are present. It also doubles as an excellent cuticle oil, making it valuable not only at home but also in professional nail and beauty settings. By nourishing the nail and surrounding skin, it may help prevent the spread of fungal infections and promote natural nail health. Nail Restore may assist with the following: supporting the care of fungal nail infections, helping to prevent the spread of infections, nourishing and protecting cuticles, and assisting with fungal related skin concerns such as athlete's foot or ringworms. Nail Restore combines essential oils known for their purifying and restorative qualities with selected homeopathic remedies in a nourishing grapeseed oil base. Lemongrass essential oil is fresh and uplifting, traditionally valued for its cleansing properties and support in managing fungal challenges. Tea tree essential oil is widely recognized for its natural purifying qualities and may assist in protecting nails against fungal or microbial imbalances. Spearmint essential oils is naturally cooling and soothing. It helps refresh and revitalize tired skin and nails while providing comfort. It also offers antibacterial and antifungal benefits. Mandarin essential oil is gentle and uplifting, supporting nail and cuticle vitality with its skin-friendly qualities and has anti-inflammatory properties. The homeopathic remedies alleviate fungal infections often linked to poor circulation. These remedies help the body boost its natural defenses against recurring concerns. They also work gently to improve the condition of soft and brittle nails, encouraging regeneration and resilience over time. In addition, the remedies assist in reducing dryness and brittleness, helping restore balance and hydration from within, so that nails can grow with renewed strength and vitality. Grapeseed oil is a light, antioxidant rich carrier oil that nourishes and conditions the nail bed and cuticles. Apply 2 to 3 drops of Nail Restore to clean nails. Gently massage into the nail and cuticle area once or twice daily, or as needed. Consistent use may help improve the overall appearance of nails and support restoration of the nail bed following infections. Nail Restore is a supportive, natural therapy complex designed to protect, nourish, and encourage healthier looking nails. Whether used as part of a daily routine, in a professional nail care environment, or to help manage fungal nail concerns, it offers a gentle yet effective approach. At Lilian International, our focus remains on creating safe, natural formulations that bring the best of aromatherapy and homeopathy together. With Nail Restore, you have a trusted option for nail and cuticle care.